Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're gonna start up our C10. Runs great. See the classic instruments, gauges work, blinkers blinking to the right. There you can hear the radio in the background. There's your blower. No horn. Dome light works. Wipers. Yeah, wipers work. Headlights, runs like a watch. Newer style 350 heads anyway. Headers. Good running, driving truck. And your tail lights. So everything except for the horn works. Any questions? 605-695-7391.